So today I just bought this Microheli's CNC aluminum swash plates, and right away I found out the bearing is not running very smooth. As you can see, it's kind of sticky and kind of springs back. Let me try to reproduce it. The problem, see, kind of jerky, and at one point it actually springs like that. To me, it seems like it's definitely a problem with either the bearing or the housing. And I took it back to the local hobby shop, and the guy said he can't make a decision. I have to go back tomorrow to talk to the manager. So I'll see what he has to say about this. But this is definitely not going into my MCPX. So we'll see.